What if I told you that people right now are making more in a week with AI tools than most make in a month? The craziest part, anyone can use them, no tech degree required. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 7 most powerful AI tools fueling this money revolution in 2025, and wait until you hear about number 1. It's literally minting new online millionaires. So, subscribe and stick around with the video, because this could be your chance to catch the wave before it's too late. 1. ChatGPT, AI writing assistant. This is the tool that started it all. ChatGPT is helping freelancers, marketers, and small business owners produce content faster than ever. Sarah, a freelance copywriter, used to spend 6 hours writing blog posts. Now, with ChatGPT, she finishes in 2 hours and takes on more clients. She went from making $2,000 a month to $5,000, just by scaling her output. Businesses pay $50 to $200 per article, and AI helps you deliver more, quicker. But writing isn't the only way people are cashing in on AI. Let's move into visuals. 2. MidJourney, AI image generator. MidJourney lets you create stunning AI art, graphics, and product designs. James, a graphic designer, started selling AI-generated poster art on Etsy. He invested a few dollars into MidJourney credits and has now built a digital art shop making $1,500 plus a month. Tip: niche designs, like anime art, retro posters, or gaming wallpapers, sell like crazy. And while images are powerful, some creators are taking things further with AI voices and videos. 3. ElevenLabs, AI voice cloning. This tool turns text into realistic voiceovers, perfect for YouTube faceless channels, ads, or audiobooks. Mark runs a YouTube channel with daily news updates. Instead of recording his own voice, he uses ElevenLabs to generate professional narrations. His channel grew to 100K subscribers in under a year, and the ad revenue alone brings in over $4,000 per month. Quick question: would you use AI to clone your voice, or would you rather stay behind the scenes? Drop your answer in the comments. But voice is just one piece, what about full-on AI videos? 4. Pictory, AI video creation. Pictory takes scripts and turns them into polished videos with stock footage, subtitles, and music. A digital marketer used Pictory to churn out short-form TikToks for clients. He charges $100 per video, but each one only takes 20 minutes to produce. That's a $300 per hour business model. Faceless YouTube automation channels are also booming with this tool. And while some people are using AI for videos, others are using it for something far more profitable: business automation. 5. Zapier with AI integration. Zapier connects apps and automates workflows. In 2025, they've rolled out AI features that make it smarter. A solopreneur used Zapier to automatically pull new leads from LinkedIn, send them a personalized AI-written email, and drop them into a CRM. What used to take 5 hours a week now runs on autopilot. He closed 3 high-ticket clients worth $10,000 each, all automated. Comment, automate, if you'd love to let AI handle your busy work. But maybe you're more into finance than automation. That's where our next tool comes in. 6. Numerai signals, AI-powered investing. This is an AI hedge fund platform where people can contribute trading signals and earn money if their models perform well. Alex, a data scientist, used Numerai's AI tools to create a trading model. In just 6 months, he earned several $1,000s in payouts, basically turning his coding hobby into a side hustle. Some top contributors earn thousands monthly, depending on performance. And finally, let's talk about the tool that's giving people the biggest opportunities in 2025. 7. Runway Gen 3, AI Video Creation 2.0. Runway's Gen 3 model creates near Hollywood-level video effects, from realistic characters to cinematic edits. Indie filmmakers and content creators are saving tens of thousands on production costs. A small agency used Runway to produce promo ads for local businesses, charging $2,000 each, and creating them in days, not weeks. Many experts say this is the AI equivalent of owning a printing press. If you learn to use it now, you'll be way ahead of the curve. So those are the 7 AI tools making people rich in 2025, from content creation to investing, automation, and Hollywood-style videos. Which one blew your mind the most? Was it ChatGPT scaling writers, MidJourney helping artists, or Runway shaping the future of video? Drop your pick in the comments below. Right finger, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you love learning about AI and money making tools, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the next opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.